Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the REA board examination. So yung problem natin is a statue 3 meter high is standing on a base of 4 meter high. If an observer's eye is 1.5 above the ground, how far should she stand from the base in order that the angle subtended by the statue is a maximum? Okay, let's solve this problem using conventional solution. So sabi sa problem, meron daw tayong base na 4 meter high. And then, meron daw tayong statue na 3 meter high. So ito yung statue natin. Si Mr. John Vic Remulla, aka the main character. So yung statue daw ni Mr. Remulla is 3 meter high. Ngayon, meron daw tayong observer to which yung eye level niya is 1.5 above the ground. So ito yung ating observer, si Anticlear. So yung eye level na Anticlear is 1.5 meter above the ground. So target lock niya na yung statue ni Mr. Remulla. So sabi sa problem, anong distance daw dapat si Anticlear from the base in order for the angle subtended by this statue is maximum. But first, isolve po muna natin tong height na to from this point up to this point, from eye level to the feet of Mr. Remulla. So makikita natin we have 4 meter base high, 4 meter base. Tapos meron tayong 1.5 meter observer's eye from above the ground. So therefore yung 4 meter is mababawasan ng 1.5. So therefore yung height na to is 4 minus 1.5 is equal to 2.5. And then sunod nating isolve is itong distance na to. So makikita natin yung tong distance na to from this point to this point is equal to the height of the statue. So therefore, y sub 2 is equal to 3 meters. And then, itong distance na to yung hinahanap natin. So kukunin natin yung na-form natin na right triangle. So we have a bigger right triangle and then we have a smaller right triangle. So ito yung angle subtended by the statue to which it is maximum. So that is theta. So para masolve natin yung theta, kailangan natin kunin yung theta 1 or the angle of the smaller right triangle and then theta 2, the angle of the bigger right triangle. So i-subtract lang natin. So we have theta 2 minus theta 1. So before that, kailangan natin i-analyze muna itong smaller right triangle. So dito sa smaller right triangle, meron tayong adjacent distance na x and then an opposite distance which is y sub 1 which is equal to 4 minus 1.5 which is equal to 2.5. So masasolve na natin yung theta 1. Yung theta 1 natin is equal to tangent negative 1 of y sub 1 which is opposite all over x which is adjacent. So substitute lang natin. Theta 1 is equal to tangent negative 1 of 2.5 all over x. And this equation, we can also express this equation as tangent theta 1 which is equal to 2.5 all over x. After natin ma-analyze yung smaller right triangle, so isunod natin i-analyze yung bigger right triangle. So ito yung ating bigger right triangle. So we have an adjacent distance of x and opposite distance of 5.5. So that is equal to 3 plus 2.5, that is 5.5. And then we have the angle theta 2. So therefore, yung theta 2 natin is equal to tangent negative 1 of opposite which is y sub 1 plus y sub 2 all over sa adjacent natin na x. So substitute lang natin yung value. So theta 2 is equal to tangent negative 1 of 5.5 all over x, which can also be written as tangent theta 2 equal to 5.5 all over x. So gamitin natin ulit yung equation natin na theta 2 minus theta 1. Then apply tangent to both sides. So that is tangent theta 2 equal to tangent theta 2 minus theta 1. Using the trigonometric identities, we will arrive tangent theta 2 minus tangent theta 1 all over 1 plus tangent theta 1 tangent theta 2. And then let's substitute the value of tangent theta 2 and tangent theta 1. So that is tangent theta equal to tangent theta 2 natin, that is 5.5 all over x, minus tangent theta 1 natin, that is equal to 2.5 all over x. And then all over 1 plus 5.5 over x times 2.5 over x. So simplify lang natin to. So we have tangent theta equal to 3 over x all over 1 plus 13.75 over x squared. Then simplify natin ulit. Tangent theta is equal to 3 over x all over x squared plus 13.75 over x squared. Simplify natin ulit. So that is tangent theta equal to 3x all over x squared plus 13.75. Then this is our simplified form. So apply derivative both side with respect to x. So we have d over dx tangent theta is equal to d over dx of 3x all over x squared plus 13.75. So we have tangent theta, so derive natin using the quotient rule of derivatives. So that is bdu minus udb all over b squared. So we will arrive x squared plus 13.75 times 3 minus 3x times 2x all over x squared plus 13.75 squared. And then derive natin yung tangent theta, that is equivalent to secant squared theta d theta over dx, which is equal to, distribute lang natin to. So we have 3x squared plus 13.75 times 3, that is 41.25, minus 3x times 2x, that is 6x squared, all over x squared plus 13.75 squared. Since theta is maximum, thus d theta over dx is equal to 0 using the maxima minima principles. So we have secant squared theta, then yung d theta over dx natin is 0, which is equal to 3x squared plus 41.25 minus 6x squared all over x squared plus 13.75 squared. So secant squared theta times 0, that is 0, then multiply natin dito sa x squared plus 13.75 squared, that is also equal to 0. So therefore, yung matitira na lang equation natin sa right side is 3x squared plus 41.25 minus 6x squared. Simplify natin to ulit. So we have 41.25 and then 3x squared minus 6x squared, that is negative 3x squared. So therefore, we have, using your calculator, we will get 41.25 divided by 3 and then squared natin. So therefore, yung distance natin from distance ni Auntie Claire from the base is 3.708 meters. So ito yung ating final answer. Okay? Let's solve the same problem with another solution. So this is a shortcut solution. So ito yung right triangle natin. So we have an adjacent of x and then opposite distance na y sub 1 which is equal to 2.5 and then y sub 2 which is equal to 3 meters. So para ma-solve daw natin yung x, given that yung theta subtended, angle subtended by the statue is maximum, pwede natin gamitin tong formula na to. X is equal to square root of y sub 1 multiplied by y sub 1 plus y sub 2. So substitute lang natin, x is equal to square root of y sub 1 times y sub 1 plus y sub 2 is equal to square root of y sub 1 natin is 2.5 times 2.5 plus y sub 2 natin na 3. So using your calculator, so that is square root of 2.5 times 2.5 plus 3, that is equal to 3.708. So we arrive the same answer. So therefore, yung sagot natin sa problem na to is 3.708 meters from the base. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.